Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft plugin showcase video here. In this video, we'll be showing you an amazing plugin called RayzWardrobe. So it's basically a pretty much epic plugin where you can store armor sets and a particular wardrobe. So I'm sure you know what wardrobe means. So right now, it's basically just a simple command which I'll be showing you. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so pretty much all you need to do is just type /wardrobe and you'll see a whole GUI over here. So right now I actually have a kit saved over here. By kit I just mean a wardrobe. So it's called set one. So if I want to equip it, I can just left click it, and once I do that, I immediately equip it. So right now, if I want to create a set, I just need to enter the wardrobe again, and I just need to click the save armor here, and it's gonna like store the armor which I was actively wearing. And now if I want to change the name, I can do something like no boots. So that's just a name that I set because I don't really have a boot over here. We could do that, and then there's even themes over here. So maybe if you want something else, I think right now you have galaxy. Okay, I think it was something else, but maybe if you want to change it to neon. So now if you go back, you're going to see the whole theme kind of changes. And right now there's like 7 slots to save your armor, but I don't think it's just that, because as you can see there's page 1 to 8. So you can just keep clicking next page till you go to the end. That's pretty much like more pages of armor sets that you can save. Everything is permission based as well, so there's that. And then of course you can add more sets if you want to, but that's pretty much it on the whole showcase part. So yeah, let's get into the configuration part. Alright, so I have the config files over here. So pretty much there's only a few files over here, including the themes, which if you want to edit, I'm guessing you can. I do remember the author saying that you could edit it, but here are some settings that you could look into. So for example, there's a cooldown if you want to configure how many max armor sets a player can set. So I think the whole 8 pages sums up to 56. Then there's even enable animations, and then you need to be careful about this max name. So this is basically the name for the armor sets, I mean the armors that is being saved in the wardrobe. So if you want to like maybe keep a strict short name requirement, you just keep it like 10, so that people can't name anything after 10 characters. So that's pretty much how it works. And then if you want to like maybe have the slots work on permission based, which I mentioned earlier, you just need to toggle this on, and it's going to just start working on permissions. But right now I'm assuming and it's going to let everyone use all the slots, but I'll show you the permissions in a bit. So there's even these particles which occurs when you're equipping an armor set. So I think you've noticed the cloud show up when I was equipping, and then there's even select effect, there's even apply effect, and you can also toggle sounds. You didn't really hear any sounds because I have them toggled off, but you could actually configure them to your liking. And there's even the teams UI, so that's really all up to you. And also there's a slot for MySQL, just in case if you want to store the data elsewhere, if you just don't trust local database or something. To look through the wiki over here actually, so they just explain how to use the whole plugin and even about the permission slots. So if you give this particular permissions to a particular user or particular group, so maybe you could like add donator perks or something in case you want to give more slots to VIP users and such. There's even permissions for using pages, so that's really up to you on what you want to do, because I did mention about everything being permission based, so rest of them are just admin commands. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See ya.